Look, if you're here for quick tips, shortcuts, or 10 good old tricks that will change your life, you're gonna hate this channel. And if you're looking for how to make a game in 5 minutes with AI like those fuckers on TikTok, you're in the wrong place. We do the work here. No generative AI bullshit. It is a tool, it does not replace human effort or soul. This isn't really a tutorial channel. Obviously, if I find something cool, I will show you. And it's definitely not a motivational channel. I'm just building games in public here. It's messy, it's usually broken, but the point is to actually get better by finishing things. So this video isn't really who am I, it's just like what to expect if you decide to stay. I just want to make games that have some weight to them. Games that don't hold your hand. I'm not trying to make something for everyone. I just want the game to feel intentional. Like every mechanic is there for a reason. Most of the time, I work under a tight deadline, usually a game jam or a prototype I try to knock out in a week, because having no time forces you to be honest. You figure out real fast which ideas are actually fun to play, and which ones just sounded fun in your head. And spoiler alert, most of them just aren't fun. Most of my prototypes end up in the trash. Not because the code is broken, but because they are just boring. I've deleted projects that had clean code, solid systems, and weeks of work put into them. That isn't about discipline, but about respect for my time and yours. So if you subscribe, here's the deal. I will give actual progress, devlogs from jams, and I'll explain why I made certain decisions, but only after I've tested them. I might get technical sometimes, but only if I actually use the tech to solve a real problem. I'm not here to lecture you on theory. I'm just documenting what I'm doing, and for in the future, what I did. I care about mechanics. Difficulty that feels fair and not just annoying. Games that don't waste your time. I don't really care about trends, so I probably won't be making any friends love games. And I don't care about pretending that game dev is always productive. I'd rather make something sharp for a handful of people than something bland for everyone. Honestly, I'm posting this because I need the pressure. When I keep things private, it's really easy to just quit quietly. Posting it here makes quitting embarrassing. So this isn't a highlight reel, it's just a way to keep myself honest. So stick around if you care more about finishing games than dreaming about them. You like seeing the messy process and not just the polished trailer. And you like games that ask a little bit more from the player. But if you want easy wins or someone to tell you you're doing great, this probably isn't the place. I don't have a master plan for where this goes, but I know what I'm building right now and I know how I want to build it. If you want to watch that happen, you're welcome to stay.